After taking nasal sprays for a few months, I realized that my nose was drying out constantly. I was getting bloody nose. The over-the-counter medications just weren't doing the job that I needed them to be doing. So I started immunotherapy, and it seems to make a real difference. I'm able to, drive to work with the windows down. I'm able to go on the belt line and run with my dog. I'm able to do things that I normally, was hesitant to do. I just feel like I can finally live my life again.